Hi guys, so I don't really do this, but I'm gonna try starting my life in a time that I be doing during my day, and I'm trying new things. And today I bought some slimes, and I'm also trying to make some books because I know my auntie's doing some books. So let's check out these slimes. Bye. Okay, so this is the first slime. It's basically an aquarium. Not even basically, it is an aquarium. So I'm gonna. Oh no, I'm sorry. Um, you know what? This is how we're gonna do it. Okay, it still doesn't want to open. 1 second. Okay, I fixed the issue. Now I can open it. Okay. Rip that off. Ah! Don't break the teeth now. Hold on. Okay, I got it open. Thanks to my charger. But oh my god, this paper is hard. Like really, really hard. Like that's how like I'm being dead serious. Like, it's like really hard. Alright, hold on. We're gonna get this open in 3, 2, 1. Okay. So I'm gonna pull some. So this is like a jiggly glossy slime I'm seeing, and it's ripping. Okay. I want to see if this will be present approved. Okay, so this next one is a strawberry shortcake slime. Let's open it in 3, 2, 1. We have the malfunction. This is already open. I'm like telling you, I did not open this at all. Like, I'm dead serious. And you can tell I didn't open it. How would I do this? And look at the size of this compared to this. You're telling me I would open that? Please. Anyways.
What? What?
Okay. Well, I mean, it is like a short cake or whatever. But it kind of feels very sticky and slimy, you know? Like, I know it's slime, but like, it's very sticky. And I can, like, I'm not gonna lie, I kind of think it's worth it, but not as good worth it. Okay, so now we're just gonna put it back inside. The biggest one of all, this is a slime kit. It's a Hello Kitty one. I don't know why I got it, but I just wanted to try it out, so we're gonna try it in 3, 2, 1. Okay, so these are very separate. So here's the slime. The charm is cute. The glitter, and then the beads for it. Where I got all this from, first of all. Ooh, hold on. This might actually be pressing approved. I'm not pressing, by the way, but like I'm just gonna put this back in the packaging so it doesn't create extra mess. Because I actually already have a mess on the bed. All of this is literally the glitter. Okay. This is the other slime. So I put glitter in it. That's one, first of all. Really nice. I think this is pressing approved. I keep on saying that because it's like really good. Not even bad, bro. Okay, let's put these in it. Okay, so first, first we're gonna put a little. Put it in here. Some already came out.